Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to breathe new life into your Android device, you've come to the right place. Today, we're showcasing some of the best live wallpaper apps that can transform your home screen with stunning animations and beautiful visuals. Whether you're into mystical designs, iconic cinematic effects, or serene nature scenes, these apps have something for everyone. Let's explore and find the perfect wallpaper for your device. Mystify Live Wallpaper. Mystify Live Wallpaper is a captivating app that offers an enchanting and dynamic visual experience for your Android device. This app features mesmerizing animations that create a mystical effect on your home screen, with colorful abstract patterns that shift and change as you interact with your device. Users can customize various settings, such as speed, color, and style, to personalize their experience. The responsive nature of the wallpaper enhances the overall aesthetics of your device and makes it visually engaging. Mystify Live Wallpaper is perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of magic and movement to their home screens. Matrix Live Wallpaper. Matrix Live Wallpaper transports users into the iconic world of The Matrix with its dynamic green code rain animation. Inspired by the famous film, this app recreates the iconic falling code effect that fans will recognize instantly. Users can choose various settings, including code styles, effects, and speed adjustments to create a personalized experience. This wallpaper not only serves as a nostalgic nod to the Matrix franchise, but also acts as a conversation starter for fellow fans. With its striking visuals and easy customization options, Matrix Live Wallpaper is an excellent choice for those wanting to add a techy, cinematic flair to their device. Hanami Live Wallpaper. Hanami Live Wallpaper invites users to experience the beauty of cherry blossoms in full bloom. This app provides a serene and calming animated background that features gently falling cherry blossom petals against a tranquil backdrop. Users can customize the speed of the falling petals, the color of the leaves, and even the time of day, allowing for a completely personalized experience that can evoke the peacefulness of springtime. The gentle animations and soothing visuals make Hanami Live Wallpaper an ideal choice for anyone looking to add a touch of nature and tranquility to their home screen while enjoying the beauty of sakura blossoms. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of live wallpaper apps inspires you to customize your device and create a visually engaging experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app recommendations and tips. Which wallpaper are you excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.